In this video, we're gonna take a look at Ninjaone Rmm. So basically, this is a solution to monitor, patch, and protect your clients' devices. So if we go to their official website, we can see that they offer different products. So you have the RMM, so this is what we're gonna look at today. So here, as you can see, you can increase your technician efficiency by 95%, and here we have reduced ticket volumes, and here we have different features and solutions. So you can monitor devices in real time and automatically notify technicians when an issue arises so they can remediate faster. Then we have automated patching, one-click devices, actions, and much more. Now, if you go and take a look at pricing, we can see that they have, as you can see here, we're gonna have to basically we can pay monthly or annually with flexible contracts. So we're gonna have to get a quote from them. So we're gonna have to enter our first and last name, our business email, phone number, and company name, and then they're gonna basically contact us. And depending on your needs, you're gonna get a plan, and you can choose to pay monthly or annually. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.